This is part one of 2 video tutorials on how to use the assignments function within Microsoft Teams. So first of all, why use the assignment manager within Teams? Essentially, it makes distributing and collecting work from students digitally much easier than using share options in OneDrive. This includes the management of resources and suggestions, and perhaps more importantly, if you so wish, you can actually provide digital feedback on any tasks done within this platform. So let's have a look on how to do this. So we can see on the left we have a Teams panel, or my preferred method is to go into a class and then select assignments from the top. And this will open up our current assignment. So I've got 5 graded assignments here, a couple that have been assigned. There's also a draft section for things in progress. So let's go down to create, and our first option is to choose assignment quiz or from existing. A quiz will take you to Microsoft Forms where you can add an existing quiz or create one. From existing is to copy an assignment from one class to another once you've got some in there. So we're just going to go to the assignment option as this is our first one. So there's a template wizard here to fill in. Simple things like adding a title, instructions for the students, 1 or 2 sentences in here. Some nice touches in here is if we highlight text, we can turn that into a hyperlink to a web resource. So we can put key research web pages and so on in here. There is a point section, so if it's out of a number of marks, we can add that. Rubric means we can add a mark scheme if we so wish. And there's a due date, time due, and we can make this bespoke to either all students, which is default, or specific students. Now the bit that makes it much easier for the students when it comes to administering the work is in this add resources section. We can add resources to read, but what I think is really useful here is that we could add a really simple and blank or nearly blank Word document or PowerPoint ready for the student to write into. So I might have prepped a document which I could then use from my laptop. So I could click on upload device. It will go through to my folders for selecting a document, or I could go to OneDrive, or I can create a new file, Word, PowerPoint or Excel. So I'm just going to go to create a file. It might be an analysis document, spelt correctly of course. And that's essentially added a blank document. The students now don't have to upload or attach anything. They simply open this and they will have their own copy and can edit it. Now if you wanted to add instructions to this new document, we can give it a click. We might add an extract of text. If it's PowerPoint, for maybe adding images for them to write about and so on. And if we close that now, that will automatically save. There's no save button. There's a document there ready for the students to write on. And then we simply click on assign. Now that's gone to all your students. The students have access to a video tutorial on how to access that content. Look in part 2 for how to read the students' work and provide feedback. Good luck.